Analyzing data with logical reasoning, practical tips and examples. Title: Analyzing data with logical reasoning, practical tips and examples. Introduction. In today's data-driven world, the ability to analyze and interpret data is a skill that is highly sought after. With copious amounts of information available, it is crucial to employ logical reasoning. To make sense of the data at hand. In this article, we will explore practical tips and examples to effectively analyze data using logical reasoning. 1. Understand the data. The first step in data analysis is gaining a deep understanding of the data set. Familiarize yourself with the variables, their meaning, and the context in which the data was collected. This will enable you to form meaningful associations and identify potential patterns within the data. 2. Define the objective. Clearly defining the objective of your analysis is essential. Determine what you aim to achieve with the data analysis, whether it is to draw conclusions, identify trends, or make predictions. Having a specific objective in mind will help guide your logical reasoning process and ensure that your analysis is focused and effective. 3. Formulate hypotheses. To guide your analysis, it is useful to formulate hypotheses. Based on your understanding of the data, make initial assumptions or educated guesses about the relationships between variables. These hypotheses will act as a starting point for your analysis and validation through logical reasoning. 4. Apply logic to identify relationships. Logical reasoning plays a vital role in identifying relationships amongst variables within a data set. Scrutinize the data for patterns, associations, or correlations that support or refute your init. Hypotheses. Use deductive reasoning to draw conclusions based on the available evidence, making sure to avoid fallacious reasoning or logical fallacies. 5. Validate findings. It is crucial to validate your findings to ensure the accuracy and reliability of your analysis. Employ inductive reasoning by testing your hypotheses on subsets or samples of the data. If your hypotheses hold consistently across various iterations, it strengthens the validity of your analysis. Conversely, if discrepancies arise, revisit your initial assumptions and refine your logical reasoning accordingly. 6. Utilize statistical tools. Statistical tools are invaluable resources for data analysis. They provide quantitative measures that support logical reasoning and help determine the significance of relationships within the data. Apply techniques such as regression analysis, hypothesis testing, or confidence intervals to enhance the objectivity of your analysis and draw robust conclusions. Example 1. Retail sales analysis. Suppose you are analyzing retail sales data to identify the factors influencing consumer purchasing behavior. After familiarizing yourself with the data, your objective is to determine which variables have the highest impact on sales. With logical reasoning, you examine the data for correlations, considering variables such as product price, location, advertising expenditure, and customer ratings. Applying statistical techniques such as regression analysis, you can quantitatively assess the degree of influence each variable has on sales. Example 2. Customer churn analysis. In another scenario, consider analyzing customer churn data for a telecommunications company. Your objective is to identify potential causes of customer attrition. Using logical reasoning, you examine indicators such as contract duration, service quality, customer complaints, and promotional offers. By